JLL Property Listings Real Estate Investment Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think finding profitable real estate investments is complicated, but you won't believe what happens next when you explore JLL Property Listings. JLL, or Jones Lang LaSalle, is a global real estate services firm providing commercial property listings, market research, and investment advisory services. Their platform offers access to office spaces, retail properties, industrial warehouses, and land opportunities worldwide. The surprising truth about JLL is how comprehensive its listings are. You can filter by location, property type, price range, and investment potential. Each listing often includes photos, floor plans, zoning information, and financial details like expected ROI or occupancy rates. Most people get this wrong. They assume commercial real estate platforms are only for large investors. JLL's interface allows smaller investors and businesses to identify opportunities without needing a broker for initial research. Plus, their analytics tools help assess market trends and property performance. JLL also provides services like lease administration, property management, and strategic investment guidance, which can be invaluable for first-time commercial investors or companies expanding their footprint. The platform is best for real estate investors, developers, and businesses seeking office, retail, or industrial spaces. It's particularly useful for those who want reliable market insights and verified property information to make informed decisions. The surprising truth is that with a platform like JLL, you can access global investment opportunities, analyze performance metrics, and reduce risk all from your desk. Subscribe for more honest real estate and investment reviews to help you make smarter property decisions.